Welcome guys to our channel My Oracle DBA, and today we will learn about the basics of Oracle database RDBMS, and we will learn about Oracle database in a very simple manner guys, using the practical aspect. Okay, so let's begin with our video. So by the term Oracle database, so if you focus on the database term, so what comes to your mind? So you might think that database, it is a place where data is stored. It is a data storage area, right? So if I talk about what is data, so data you can relate with facts or figures, or pieces of information, which is like in an unprocessed or unorganized manner. Okay, so data is basically unprocessed or unorganized information. And if I talk about database guys, it is an organized collection of information. That means your data will be stored in an organized manner. And if I relate with the Oracle database, so in Oracle database, your data is stored in tables, in rows and columns, in different rows and columns. There are different columns. Okay, like they might be employee name, employee ID, employee address. So these might be the different columns, and you will have the different rows in which the information of, suppose, employee A, employee B, employee C, so like this data will be stored. So in the database, the application related data is stored in a organized manner. Okay, so hope you got an overview about data, what is data and what is database. So we will learn in depth more about it in the future videos. So don't worry about that.